writing?
A little over 3 decades now, man.
What year was that?
89. Started popping tags in the neighborhood. Yeah, I seen a black book, man, in 7th grade. That was it. It's never really turned back since. Believe it or not, man, we used to bomb freights in 92, 93. I didn't get serious about freights until 98 when I moved up to Jacksonville. Just painted them, man, just to paint them because they traveled so far. And that was really it. And it was cool, man, once everything started really getting going and seeing your shit benched in other states. I'm not one of these guys that I'm 2 different people. Who I am in Graff is who I am in the real world. Solid, you're solid. You know, a lot of these guys live these superhero lives. They're these square motherfuckers around their family, and then when they get out in the streets, what they think is the streets, they show all their little tattoos and everything and think they're hard. Beef is beef. How you approach it. I don't think you're a real writer unless you get beef, to be honest with you, because that's when you know if you're really in this to win it. You know what I'm saying? And I've always felt that way. It just was built off of beef. There's still some things that I need to do.